Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make the audio quality of your Twitch streams, your YouTube channel, or whatever your platform is of choice that requires a microphone sound 10 times better. Alright, so the first thing you'll need to install is you're going to need to install Voicemeeter. This is the only program you'll need for this whole video. Voicemeeter is basically a mixer, a virtualized mixer that lets you control the audio devices that you have at your disposal. You won't need virtual audio cable for this. Voicemeeter automatically includes 2 cables, or 4 cables I think in total. 2 outputs, 2 inputs. And once you have that installed, because this is a free program, completely free, there are some catches. So when you go through the setup, please make sure that you go through the following setup, because there are third-party software included, I'm 95% sure. And if you don't want the program, then make sure you check no, and then you should be good. Other than that, you should have this screen right here. Once it's all installed, you should have this screen. Once you have this screen, don't touch any of the palette. This is your palette of whatever you want to call it. Basically, your whole controls for audio. Now, the way it works, virtual or Voicemeeter works, is hardware input is what you're connected to the device. In this case, it's going to be your microphone. So you're going to click on drop down 1 right here, and you're going to select the microphone that you have or you will be using that you want to change the audio of. Once you have that selected, go over to hardware out, click audio 1. Then drop down, you should see a bunch of audio devices. Depending on how many audio devices you have, it should look a little bit different. Click on the audio device that you normally use or you're going to output to. Let's just say like what you want people to hear. Click on that, or you're trying to listen to yourself. Once you have that clicked on, go to the bottom right corner where it says speakers. Right click on that, recording devices, and don't worry about that. You might have that, you might have not. Just click no, whatever it is. Then you're going to click on the microphones, or look for the microphone, right click on that, go to its properties, go to listen to the device, make sure everything's working fine. Go to levels, make sure you have the right level set to, like, it's not ear piercing, because some microphones are piercing if you have it at 100%, and also that way the program feeds perfectly fine. Usually at 50% it should be good. Then go to the advanced tab, and this is an important piece. Make sure you select it to 2 channel 16-bit 44,100 Hz CD quality. That way you get the best audio possible. And once you have that done, scroll down and you should see Voicemeeter output. Once you have Voicemeeter output selected, or right clicked on it, do the same thing. Listen to it. You should be able to listen to your microphone now. If not, make sure you have that. Go back and make sure you have that selected as audio 1. Then in the level section, leave that alone. Don't touch any of that. Everything's fine there. Go to advanced tab. Make sure also it matches your microphone at 2 channel 16-bit 44,100 Hz CD quality. Exclusive mode, make sure you have both of those checked. That's what I have checked. Once you have that done, everything should be set up now. Now, to change the voice quality, you want to use this slider right here. I'm not going to move mine because I have specifically set, but basically the voice, the higher you go up here, changes how deep the voice gets. The lower you go, how deep your voice gets. Now, to the right side is higher pitch sounds. High being no bass whatsoever, nothing added to it. The middle being, again, nothing added. If you go to the high section, it's just going to remove all the bass off your microphone, just on really tinny, what you don't want, unless somehow you like tinny sound. But once you have that all selected and you chose the audio you want, the way you want to basically output it, or you want it to work, is you want to have it, instead of selecting your microphone as your audio device, select, go back, make sure you select it to Voicemeeter output. Once you have that installed, you should be able to hear everything. If you don't hear anything, and you're still having trouble, please go down in the comments. I'll try and help you guys down there. And that's pretty much it. Please make sure you guys subscribe. That's it. What else? That's it. Yeah, pretty much it. Make sure you guys subscribe, and all the links down below, I'll be down in the comments if you guys need help, and hopefully we should be seeing more videos from me. Hopefully. Anyways, take care, guys.